The next topic is undamped oscillations and damped oscillations. First we are taking undamped oscillation. When the amplitude of harmonic system, simple harmonic oscillator, remains constant, does not change with time, then its oscillations are called undamped oscillations. When simple harmonic oscillator oscillates with constant amplitude, that is amplitude does not change with time, then oscillations are called undamped oscillation. Graphically, we can show that the amplitude remains constant with time for a harmonic oscillator. This is the amplitude, maximum displacement from the mean position. Amplitude remains constant with time, right? Then oscillations are called undamped oscillation. In undamped oscillation, what happens to the energy? When amplitude is constant, then energy is also constant. The total energy in undamped oscillation is half m omega square a square, which is constant, does not change with time. It means energy remains constant. It means the frictional force and viscous force are not acting on the harmonic oscillator, right? For example, if a pendulum is displaced and allowed to oscillate in vacuum, if a simple pendulum, then its oscillations will be undamped oscillation. It will continue to oscillate with constant amplitude, that is with constant energy. There is no energy dissipation in undamped oscillation. Now the next topic is damped oscillations. If the amplitude continuously decreases with time, then graph of displacement time of such harmonic oscillator will be like this, right? So when the amplitude of harmonic oscillator decreases with time, but body executes periodic oscillation, then such oscillations and such type of harmonic oscillator executes damped oscillation. The energy of damped harmonic oscillator continuously decreases with time due to the frictional forces and viscous forces. Energy continuously decreases with time and ultimately it is brought to stop. The oscillating body comes to rest. For example, if a pendulum bob is allowed to oscillate in a liquid or in a viscous medium, air is also viscous, but its viscous force is very small. If it is a liquid, then liquid offers high viscous force, body brought to rest in a very short time. And oscillations are damped oscillation. Damped oscillation, the energy dissipates due to the frictional force and viscous forces.